Dear students, in this video we are going to learn 10 short answer questions in less than 10 minutes. Okay. Today we cover unit 2 and these are the basic level answers and you are expected to include concepts learnt in our classes. Okay. Now let us see unit 2. Question number 1. Draw the basic pin configuration of IC 555. You know IC 555 timer, it is an 8-pin IC. First pin is ground and 8th pin is VCC and pin number 2 trigger. Trigger input, third pin output, fourth pin reset pin, fifth control voltage, sixth threshold pin, seventh discharge pin and eighth as I mentioned VCC. So question number 2. Write any two applications of IC 555 timer. And answer to this question is the two common applications of IC 555 timer are, one is pulse generation, the second one is clock generation. First one, pulse generation. The IC 555 can be used as a monostable multivibrator to generate a single precise output pulse in response to an external trigger event. You know, for monostable multi, when we give one trigger pulse, it will produce one output pulse. Question number, the second application, oscillator or clock generator. A 555 can be connected in a stable mode and it can be used as a square wave generator or clock generator also. So in a stable mode, the IC 555 produces a continuous square wave output, making it suitable for use as an oscillator in clock circuits. Question number 3. Define PLL and list the main blocks of it. Okay, so it is a PLL is a feedback control system used to sync the frequency and phase of input and VCO output. PLL mainly contains 4 blocks. One is phase detector, second one low pass filter, third one error amplifier and fourth one voltage control oscillator. Please draw the block diagram and mention all these. Question number 4. Define a filter and classify different types of filters. Frequency selective circuit that allows certain band of frequencies and attenuates unwanted frequencies is called a filter, and filters are classified into different types. Of course, low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, band reject filter, and based on frequencies used and all we have clear classification. You also add all that here. Okay, next question number 5. Define band pass filter and write its classification based on Q factor, quality factor. And answer, a filter which passes the required band of frequencies and eliminates all frequencies outside the band is called a band pass filter. And based on the quality factor Q, these filters are classified into two types. One, wide band pass filter, that is when quality factor is less than 10, and 2, narrow band pass filter when Q is greater than 10. You can see the frequency response plots and you can draw these. Question number 6. Mention the function of the control voltage pin in 555 timer. So this control voltage pin, it is pin number 5, and using this pin we apply control voltage here. So using this voltage we can either increase or decrease the reference voltage of upper comparator from 2/3 VCC. Right. When control voltage is not required, pin 5 should be connected to ground through a 0.01 microfarads capacitor. Question number 7. Mention the function of the threshold pin in a 555 timer. You know, pin number, which pin is threshold pin? I think threshold pin is pin number 6. Okay, so pin number 6 is a threshold pin and it controls the operation of upper comparator. Okay, when threshold voltage is greater than 2/3 VCC, upper comparator produces output as 1, and when it is less than 2/3 VCC, upper comparator produces output as 0. Right. Question number 8. In a monostable multivibrator, using 555 timer with R equal to 10 kilo ohms and C equal to 0.9 microfarads, determine the value of output pulse width TP. That is the given question. So what is the answer? First let us write given data. R equal to 10 kilo ohms and C equal to 0.9 microfarads, and what is the pulse width, that is TP. Right. So for a monostable multivibrator, we know pulse width is given as TP is equal to 1.1 times R and C. So 1.1 and R value is 10k, therefore 10 into 10 power plus 3 we have to write. Here it is written minus, please note down this modification. And then C value is 0.9 into 10 power minus 6. When you multiply, you will get 9.9 milliseconds. So the value of output pulse width is 9.9 milliseconds. Question number 9. Define a lock range and capture range of a PLL. So what is lock range first? The range of frequencies over which PLL maintains lock is called lock range, right? And what is capture range? The range of frequencies over which PLL requires a lock is called capture range, right? I think you are able to understand. You please take our class notes also once again. Question number 10. Define voltage control oscillator and what is meant by free running state of a phase locked loop. Right? Now let us see first what is voltage controlled oscillator. So a device whose output frequency changes in accordance with the input voltage is called voltage controlled oscillator. That means output frequency F0 is proportional to control voltage Vc. Right? Then next one, free running state. So what is free running state? The output frequency of VCO when there is no input is called free running frequency F0 and the state is called free running state. Hope you are able to understand all these questions, 10 questions and answers. And other unit short answer questions are also available in the playlist. You please go through and learn. And we thank our friend for good handwriting and patience in writing all these 50 question and answers, right? Wish you all the best.